friends, welcome back. Today we are going to be cooking spaghetti squash. Spaghetti squash is like our absolute favorite of the winter squash varieties. In fact, when we're making pasta and things, my youngest daughter, Michaela, actually prefers the spaghetti squash to actual noodles. It's a nice, healthy alternative to get lots of vitamins and lower your glycemic index when you're making pasta meals. It's a little intimidating though sometimes to pick up these winter squashes and know what to do with them sometimes. So I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to turn this into this. And there's a lot of recipes out there for spaghetti squash, and if you're in a hurry, the fastest way to do it is to cut it in half and put some olive oil down, roast it in a pan for 35 minutes or so, and then you can pull it. But it is really, really difficult to cut into these guys. So I prefer, and I think it tastes a little better, it tastes a little more full if you do it this way. It just takes longer. If you have a whole hour, all you're going to do is take your lovely spaghetti squash and put it in an oven dish. And then you're going to poke holes into it just like you would a potato. And you're going to roast this spaghetti squash at 400 degrees for 1 hour. And then we'll pull it out and I'll show you what to do from there. This could not be easier. All right, here is the delicious spaghetti squash. And I'm gonna let that cool for a minute before we just cut into it because it's rather hot. And while that's cooling, I'm gonna get the rest of dinner ready. If you follow along with us, you know we love freezer meals. This one is a super simple meatball freezer meal we made in our last freezer meal video. I'll link that down below. But all we're gonna do to cook this is just dump these meatballs in here and pour some marinara sauce, and they're going to go in the oven for 30 minutes and we will pull them out just in time to get into this guy and be able to serve it over the spaghetti squash. And this, I will say, was one of our meals that came from Freezer Fit. If you don't know about Freezer Fit, I'll link that video down below. Super easy, super quick. You just dump everything in and print the instructions, stick them on the bag, and they're dump and go. So as you can see, that was very little effort for delicious meatballs. So I'm trying, I know a lot of you that watch our freezer meal videos have been asking to see more of them prepared. So I'm trying to incorporate those into our videos so that you can see what they look like prepared. So I'll see you back here when the squash is cooled just a little bit and it's time to cut into it. Now for the fun part, and if you have never cut into a spaghetti squash, this is really fun. You're just gonna cut straight into this. Now, if you have ever tried to cut one before cooking, you will recognize how easily my knife is just sliding right through this. And that is it. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Now, if you notice, I have two bowls here. One of these is for the seeds and such, and that's gonna be for the chickens. So I'm just gonna take a spoon and I'm gonna just pull the seeds in the middle part out, just like that. And it really, after it's cooked, it comes out so easily. So it really is worth it if you have that hour to do it this way and cook it whole. I like it much better than cooking the halves. And it's just that easy. Got all the seeds out, and the chickens are gonna be so excited. Now, all I'm going to do is take my fork and I'm just gonna start peeling back the little layers of this, and it naturally comes out looking like noodles, which is so cool. And you can decide, this is a smaller spaghetti squash. It might take 2 of these to feed a family of 4, but this is just gonna be for my youngest daughter and I tonight. The other 2 are having real spaghetti. Now, I will say this, spaghetti squash will keep in your fridge for like a week. So if you know you're gonna have pasta night, you can cook several of these ahead of time and just keep them ready to go. And if you just want to warm them up, you can lay it out on a pan in the broiler for a couple minutes. But look at this. So delicious. And the chickens are about to be really excited. Hey, Fred. Fred's our turkey. They are thrilled. You protecting your ladies, Fred? Yeah? Mr. Darcy's the rooster there, and Bingley is the other rooster. Lizzie over here, and Kitty and Lydia, and Jane, and I don't know where Mary is. Right, now these meatballs are out of the oven, and I forgot these were actually mozzarella stuffed meatballs. Look how delicious. I can't wait to dive into these. All right, so we've got some spaghetti squash that's going to act as our noodle layer. And it looks delicious. And then I'm going to plate up my meatballs. And get some of that extra sauce. And there you have it. Oh, that smells and looks delicious, and I cannot wait to dive in. Well, thanks so much for spending some time in the kitchen with me. If you got some value out of this, be sure to smash that like button. Y'all have a wonderful weekend.